a big chop video. Girl, calm down. It's just a trim. What's up, y'all? It's me, Prettywitty 77, and today I'm gonna be trimming my transitioning hair. I just co-washed it, and I decided I needed a little trim. I don't usually trim on hair that's not straight. I've always like flat ironed my hair like once a year and trimmed it. So this is gonna be an experiment for me, a totally new experiment. So if you're interested, then definitely keep watching. So to begin with, I'm starting off with freshly co-washed hair, and I'm gonna part it into 4 sections. So I have my 4 sections, and I was just thinking, like, I've never done this before, so I guess there's no right or wrong way for me to be doing it right now. I'm just like kind of riding the wave with it. So I'm gonna introduce you to the products that I'm gonna be using today. My hair has no product on it. So I recently purchased this The Main Choice Tropical Merengue Sealing Cream. So I'm gonna be using this as a moisturizer or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this as my moisturizer. Yeah. And I'm gonna be using the coconut oil to seal in the cream. Then I'm going to apply this Wet Line Extreme Gel, and or just depending on what kind of mood I'm in, the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna do it. I also have some warm water here in my spray bottle in case my hair kind of dries out. I'm gonna make sure that it's moisturized so I can see where I need to be cutting. I feel like this is a big chop video. Girl, calm down. It's just a trim. Okay, here's my hair with no product. We're gonna start with the back left side of my head right now. A lot of this hair is, well, the back of my hair, I gotta tell y'all, if y'all don't already know, is like completely natural. Like the nape area is completely natural. So yeah, before it starts to dry up, because it dries really fast, but if I style it, it dries real slow. Tell me what to do. So I have a little bit of this cream here. Don't ask me how I like it because I just got it. So I can't give y'all a review on it. I'm just using it because I paid for it, sis. Okay, so we're gonna bump the Main Choice Sealing Cream, and we're gonna go with the Allocate Naturals Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer, only because I feel like this is a more heavy moisturizer. I feel like the other one was moisturizing, but it was really light. And right now, I just need to feel that my hair is moisturized. So we're gonna make the switch. A little bit of coconut oil. So I'm making the executive decision to trim my hair while it's in a twist. So I'm gonna apply a little of the Wet Line Gel because I know I can get my hair smooth. Actually, I'm just mixing, you guys. I am mixing the Eco Styler with the Wet Line because I sort of kind of like them both for different reasons. If you want to know like my opinion on each, comparing them each, then definitely leave a comment in the comment section. I have my dimming brush here, and I'm going to detangle. First of all, let's get into the curl. Curl. There you go. It's slowly moving up. Let's get into the curl. Let me separate it. A little bit more gel on the end, and there you have my little twist. As you can see, this part is damn near all natural. You don't even see any kind of straight ends on the end. Maybe just a tad bit. So I purchased these shears from Sally's, and I'm just gonna take a little bit off the end. What's a little bit? What is a little bit? My hair is slick long though. For all this to be natural, it's slick long. Ooh, wait till this summer over. Y'all know your hair grow fast in the summer, right? After this summer, I'm gonna be looking like Rapunzel. You can see there is quite a bit left on this hair. I mean, I just want to clear things up. This is not a big chop video, or this is not I'm about to cut off all of my transitioning hair or chemically processed hair and just go. So I don't want to hear no comments. You can just cut it off. It's nothing but a little. Do what you want to do with your hair. I'm not ready, so I'm not gonna cut all of it, but I am gonna try to get those measly, like really, really thin at the bottom. So yeah. This one is really kind of hard to tell. If I'm looking correctly, that means all of this hair is chemically processed. So that's a lot. Considering the plat stop's way down here. I'm just gonna take a little bit off the end. This one is extremely hard to tell what is what. Like, it looks the same, y'all. Tell me it don't.
It don't?
Maybe like down here, but so I'm done, and I have 21 twists. My last trim was done on straight hair in December, so I decided to go ahead and trim a little bit more off because it's now April and I haven't cut my hair since. Still not ready to let everything go, but you know, that's okay because I'm gonna do it at my own time. So yeah, this is kind of a style. I didn't do that many because I'm kind of in a push for time right now, but this probably will just end up going like under a hat, y'all. It's ugh. I'm probably just gonna air dry it. If you're transitioning, let me know how you trim your hair. Do you just do it like you're about to chop off the remaining chemically processed ends, or do you just do it in twists? Like, how do you do it? Or if you transition, how did you do it? Because I'm gonna need some tips, sis. But for the meantime, this was great. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, this kind of hurt. I got my braces off. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, like, who am I?